Hi, it's Ben from Lewisham Physio here. Today we're just going to have a quick look at rotator cuff injuries. So the rotator cuff is a series of muscles in your shoulder that help hold the ball in the socket, and they're very easily injured when you can have a fall or sometimes with a dislocation or repetitive overhead activity. So it's a very common injury. So just coming over here, have a look at our resident giant Tom here, who's an ABA basketball player, who's our new physio who's with us. So any basketball injuries, come in and see Tom, he'll look after you. So looking at the shoulder, a couple of really easy tests you can look at yourself at home just to see if it's potentially a rotator cuff injury. So just getting someone to press on the outside there, keeping your elbow by your side. If that's painful or weak, that can indicate it. Another one over to the side and pressing down. This is called an empty can test. And this last one here is actually an impingement test, but that can also be positive if you've got a rotator cuff injury. So they've actually done studies that show the combination of those three tests together is 98% accurate in terms of determining a rotator cuff tear, so even more accurate than an MRI. So if you feel like you've hurt your shoulder, any injuries in that sort of area, come in and we can assess it and see what severity it is and then get you on the path to recovery.